MHC Kenworth, Denver, Colorado. The world's best in new and used trucks. MHC Denver just got its hands on a well-maintained fleet of 2018 Kenworth T680 52-inch sleepers. These trucks are 455 horsepower, 10-speed ultras, lightweight, fuel efficient. The miles anywhere from the mid-400s to the mid-500s. Each truck is equipped with disc brakes on the fronts and rears with a 205-inch wheelbase. These trucks will keep you safe on the roads with a Bendix Wingman collision mitigation system. The fleet also comes with APU units. The T680 is the continued benchmark in performance and profitability, and now is your chance to take one home. Call MHC Denver today.